So Apple event has just ended and this is what you should know. So first thing first, the iPhone 14 series. 4 new models, but the mini just got kicked out of the house this year and added in a new iPhone 14 Plus. Because screen size is all that matters now. You got the iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro, and also the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Design-wise, it's really similar to the iPhone 13 lineup from the back, but once you turn to the front, you immediately notice the notchless display, which is called the Dynamic Island for the iPhone 14 Pro lineups. Kudos to Apple for taking away the notch finally. The Dynamic Island have tons of new interaction features like expanding when receiving calls, playing music, bubbles up alerts, and more. You also got a new color variant, which is the deep purple for the iPhone 14 Pro, and a new blue color variant for the iPhone 14. And guys, it finally supports 5G and no more physical SIM for now. All US model will no longer be having a SIM tray, only by using an eSIM, while our local Malaysian model still has the SIM tray with dual SIM support. As for the display, the iPhone 14 and 14 Pro will get a 6.1-inch Super Retina HDR display, and for the 14 Plus and 14 Pro Max, you will get the larger 6.7-inch display. But only the Pro variants get the A16 Bionic chip and a better 48-megapixel main camera with quad pixel sensor with 24mm focal length. New improved 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera supports up to 4K on cinematic mode and up to 4 zoom options now. While the iPhone 14 and 14 Plus will be powered by the A15 Bionic chip along with a newly improved 12-megapixel main camera, and of course all iPhone 14 lineups will get a faster f1.9 true depth 12-megapixel selfie camera with autofocus for better selfies. New Photonic Engine for better photos, action mode for videography, new safety features like crash detection, and safety services like the emergency SOS via GPS satellite. The iPhone 14 starts from 4,199 ringgit, the iPhone 14 Plus starts from 4,699 ringgit, while the iPhone 14 Pro starts from 5,299 ringgit and 5,799 ringgit for the Pro Max. Now another highlight of the fall for the Apple Watch series will be the new Apple Watch Ultra, specially designed for athletes. Aerospace grade titanium case for most extreme activities. You got the Alpine Loop, Trail Loop, and Ocean Band. New customizable action button, larger digital crown, brightest display which can go up to 2000 nits, dual speakers and 3 microphones audio system, and the largest battery with up to 36 hours of normal usage. L1 plus L5 GPS, built-in 86 decibel siren, WR100 water resistance, and certified EN13319 to be your dive completed down to 40 meters for 3,799 ringgit. Also, you got the latest Apple Watch Series 8, new astronomy watch face, new crash detection, new temperature sensors especially for advanced menstrual tracker with retrospective ovulation estimation, new low power mode that gives you up to 60 hours of battery life starting from 1,899 ringgit, while the new 2nd gen Apple Watch SE with new back case design, crash detection is starting from 1,199 ringgit. Now last but not least, the new AirPods Pro with personalized spatial audio, adaptive transparency, touch control, up to 6 hours of listening time with a single charge, and up to 30 hours with the charging case, starting from 629 ringgit. So that's all for now. I'm Jesse. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao!